How to blur out portions of a video in Canva. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to learn about blurring the parts of video in Canva. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and open canva.com, or you can also open the Canva application, log into your account. Now go ahead and tap on create. Select any templates that you'd like to or any custom size. Go to the upload tab and upload any videos that you'd like to. Now select the videos that you'd like to use. Go to the elements section in the top. Go to the elements section in the left hand side of the screen, that is between design and text. Once you tap on that, search for blur. Find the blur element in the graphics results that you'd like to use. Drag and drop the blur element in your video. Now you can position and resize the blur element over the area that you want to hide. Add more blur elements as needed. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. This is how you can blur out portions of the video in Canva. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.